Welcome to Data World Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about cross join. Here I am using free trial Snowflake account. How to set up free trial Snowflake account you can check from Snowflake SQL playlist in my channel. And this is my Snow site web UI. One request viewer, if you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. It is really helpful to grow the channel. So let's get started with cross join. First, understand cross join. Cross join return the Cartesian product of row from both table. It simply return all possible combination of row. Let's suppose this is table A and this is table B. Then all row from the table A join with each row from the table B, or each row from the table A join with all row from the table B. Suppose this is a first record, then each one record join with each row from table B. For one join with table A, one join with table record B, one join with record C. In same way, two join with record A, two join with record B, two join with record C. Then 3 and 3 give record 9. Here is the syntax. Let's suppose we are selecting column 1, column 2 from table 1, and then we simply write cross join and table B. You can simply write also select column 1, column 2, etc. column as you wish to select from table 1 and put here comma then table 2, or do not mention any condition. So it's produce cross join. Let's understand by example. Here is the exercise. First we are creating employee table. Control enter to run this query. Here I am creating employee ID, employee name and department ID. Inserting some value into employee table. Here I am creating department table with column department ID and department name. Executing this statement, inserting into department table some value, and let's see, this is the employee table results. Let's see this one, and this is 5 records. Okay, and in department table there is 3 records. Okay, so here I am selecting all column and all row, means select a star from employee table and write here cross join, and then department table and order by 1 means employee ID. Okay, so if I execute this statement, you can see here 15 result, because 5 records from table employee and 3 records from department table. Then you can see here all record means each row from table employee join with all records from department table, so produce 15 records. Here you can see 15 records. Okay, 15 records. You can also use select star from employee table and write here comma and department table, after that order by, so resulting same result 15 record. This is also a cross join. Now let's move on to the another example. In this table contain 100 records, and line item table contain also 100 records. And if you want to see this record, this is table, customer table, and this is line item table. I am creating in sample records in my underscore db in public schema. 100 record from this table, customer table and line item table, because in this table contain lots of 150k result, and in line item table also contain 6 million records, so huge record. So we, for simplicity, we create sample records in customer table. So if I execute this statement, you can see 10,000 records. Here you can see here 100 into 100, 10,000. You can simply use select star from in joining condition. You forget by mistakenly, then it's produce cross join. Here you have to put comma. Yeah, you do not use where condition for joining. So it's produce cross join, and it is huge mistake in production. So this is cross join. That's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.